Wow, I got it, guys. Hello, guys. I want to share my experience with you about Telegram apps. So, for the previous 2 months, I was trying to find a real way to get some free time, and I found this gem just 2 days ago, and I still can't believe what I've got because this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Let me show you what I found. This is a hint bot. It's called Mineral Bot for the popular game Mine's Tone. So, but before I continue, guys, I want to say that all I'm showing you is my personal experience. I don't give financial advice, and it's only for entertainment. So let's go. Go to my channel, Owen Tone. Click subscribe and go to exact same bot, Mineral Bot. Alright, let's go. Start. Step number 1, launch Mine's Tone. Launching. Alright, so I got something on my balance. I already played it and made 4 grand. Let's go. So what do we have to do next? Click continue. Alright, so we have to take this thing and paste it to the bot. Alright, where is it? Maybe here now. Yeah, here it is. Let's go copy and just paste it to the bot. Let's go. Alright, well said. So you can view the instruction, but I know the details, so I can start. Okay, let's go. So give me my hint. Alright, we got it. So let's put 10 ton. Okay, let's go. Let's start. And now you just follow the instruction. Alright, here, here, and there. Alright, oh my god, this is working, guys. Would you believe this? This is working. Let's go. We got 2x of tone. Let's go. Let's do it again. Alright, let's go. So now we have to get our next step. Alright, okay, so what a beautiful. Okay, let's go here, and there. Okay. Yeah, we got it, boys, we got it. Let's go again. This bot is actually working. Let's go. That, okay. Next hint. Alright. Here, and finally here. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is insane, guys. This is freaking insane. I am doing so great so far. Okay, let's go. Let's go again. Alright, next signal. Oh, we've been reached the limit. So let me withdraw it. Let's do one more. Okay, shout. I will not do it without signals, only with signals. Alright, let's withdraw our tone. Okay, withdraw tone. How much we got of tone? Alright, alright, let me check my tone. Okay, let's go to the bot again. Address, copy, paste. Alright, we should be good. Yeah, request submitted. Alright, guys. Oh my, I got a message. Yeah, they processing. Alright, so let me refresh my balance. And again. Wow, I got it, guys. So as you can see, this is actually working. So see you in the next video, guys.